Essential cybersecurity concepts for beginners. With the rise of the digital age around the globe, all businesses, large and small, corporate organizations, and even the government, are dependent on computerized systems to manage their daily processes. Cybersecurity is essential in this digital age where everything runs on a single click of a button. Hence, it becomes very crucial for protecting our personal and professional assets from cyber threats and breaches.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Cybersecurity. The word cyber of data to unauthorized parties. Cybersecurity basic concepts of confidentiality also include attempting to keep the identities of authorized parties engaged in data sharing and storage private and anonymous. Most of the time, confidentiality is affected by cracking poorly encrypted data, man-in-the-middle (MITM) attacks, and disclosing sensitive data. Data encryption, biometric verification, security tokens, and two-factor authentication measure to maintain confidentiality. These measures can change the way data is handled within the organization and ensure data protection. Integrity. Maintaining data consistency, accuracy, and reliability over time is also critical for the organization, and this is achievable through integrity, which prevents data from being modified by unauthorized parties. Also, at the time of transferring data, it should not be changed, altered, deleted, or viewed illegally. Program and information must be changed in authorized manner. The two known challenges that might compromise integrity are turning a machine into a zombie computer and embedding malware into web pages. Some standard measures to guarantee integrity are cryptographic checksums, using file permissions, uninterrupted power supplies, and data backups. Along with implementing standard measures, tools and technologies must be included that can detect any changes or a breach in data. Checksums and cryptographic checksums are used by different organizations to verify the integrity of the data. Availability. This basic cybersecurity concept states that authorized parties must be able to access the information whenever it is needed. Data is only valuable if the right people have access to it at the right moment. So, to make sure the data is available and can be accessed at the time of need, it must be placed in a secure environment. All necessary components like hardware, software, networks, and devices should be maintained and upgraded for smooth access to data. Information unavailability can happen due to security incidents like DDoS, distributed denial of service, attacks, hardware failures, programming errors, and human errors. Firewalls, backing up data to external drives, data redundancy, and backup power supplies are some standard measures to guarantee availability. Availability is not only about data, but having complete cybersecurity for your organization. It should have the availability of extra security equipment in case of any disaster or restriction in access to data. Basic cybersecurity concepts based on terms used in security operations. MSSP, Managed Security Service Provider. APT, Advanced Persistent Threat. SOC, Security Operations Center. DDoS, Distributed Denial of Service. CASP, Cloud Access Security Brokers. IAM, Identify Access Management. IR, Incident Response. SIEM, Security Information and Event Management. UBA, User and Entity Behavior Analytics. IOC, Indicator of Compromise.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.